Today I'm going to demo my half of the project that outputs tweets as Morse code and also displays them on a LED matrix. I had a little trouble with some sort of conflict between the LED matrix code and the tone for the Morse code. So I actually have one Arduino running the LED matrix and another Arduino running the actual Morse code output, both tone and light. And I also have a C++ program that I wrote that sends the characters one at a time to the Arduinos. So this is going to say this is a test. And hopefully that's all correct Morse code. Thanks for watching.